Thank you.
Okay, yesterday we discussed the Jira, right?
Yeah.
Jira, how to log bug. You clear, right? Any questions?
No, I think I'm good with the Jira.
Okay, this is a Jira software you create. Okay, in this Jira project you have a Google Test. This is a project name.
Yeah.
See, this is a company URL. Okay, this
Yeah.
provide company URL in the company. Multiple projects are there as of now. Google
Yeah.
Test one project is there. This is the your project.
Yeah.
So you are assigning. You assign that project now. You can able to see that project. Otherwise, you don't have access to this project. Okay,
Yeah.
so you have that will providing access to you. Okay,
Hmm.
Jira admin one team is there. They will provide access to this particular project. Then
Yeah.
you found any bug. Okay, then
Yeah.
you log a bug
Hmm.
like this. Okay, then
Yeah.
automatically display here. Okay,
Yeah.
Kanban board now you follow without agile methodology. Normally follow the Kanban board.
Yeah.
Kanban board is nothing but this is a task, and you can done this task, move to in progress. If completely done, you can move to done.
Yeah.
You started working in progress. Okay, completely done, not done. So
Yeah.
so you are the only one person available now. This is the only one your task. If
Yeah.
more members are there, the more members task available here. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the Kanban board. Clear, right? How to move task,
Yeah.
everything, right?
Yeah. I created one after you. So
Yeah. Okay. So so I want to create a okay Scrum board. Okay,
okay.
we are following agile methodology.
Yeah.
Agile methodology. So on that time, Kanban board is not feasible. Okay,
Yeah.
Scrum board need to
Yeah.
follow agile methodology. Create a who create a board na admin
Yep.
means a team lead is there.
Yeah.
Okay, team lead they will create a board, and sometimes they will create a assign task and assign to you. Sometimes you create a task and assign to yourself. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
got it right? This
Yeah.
is the task, day-to-day activities, right?
Yeah.
See, this is the understanding test execution like that. You write it. This is the task for. Okay, so sometime your team lead create a task and assign to you. How to
Yeah.
create a task, you know, right? Just
Yeah.
create any task and assign to you.
Hmm.
Team lead will assign the task. Sometime, so you do right. You
Yeah.
create a task and assign to yourself.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
in the same way, board. So first, who create a board? Maybe maximum team lead will create a board. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
రాలే అక్కడికి. So let's create a board. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So Scrum board, right? This is
Yeah.
we are following Agile methodology. Now the Scrum board is to select a Scrum board with
Yeah.
create a Scrum board.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Board created with new software project board from existing project. Board existing project. So new project or something project. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I need to create a new project. Okay. Board
Yeah.
created with a new project and click next. Okay. Project name. Okay. Create new project, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Project name Google some any name, okay? Google
Mhm.
Agile, like that, okay?
Yeah.
And who is the project lead now? Automatically, they who create a board now, they will name came
Their
automatically.
name will be there.
You
Yeah.
want to change the changes is also possible, and click create a board,
Or
okay?
yeah.
So board is created, okay?
Yeah.
So board is created, okay?
Mhm.
So in the agile methodology na, okay, and the time I explained agile methodology in notepad, right, that available or deleted that text, Masima?
I think it should be available.
Open na,
Yeah.
where it
Okay.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah, agile method, this is agile methodology, right?
Yeah.
Release one, okay?
Mhm. Yeah.
To every 1 month release,
One.
our company following every 1 month release. So every 2 weeks one sprint, right? I already explained, right? What
Yeah.
is release now? Every 1 month release. In
Yeah.
the release, how many sprints are there? 2 weeks
2.
one sprint. So
Yeah.
2 weeks means 4 weeks. 4 weeks means 1 month, right?
Yeah.
All around, okay?
Mhm.
So total 2 weeks, two sprints, okay?
2 sprint.
In the
Yeah.
current uh, though in the current release, what we are developing, sign up and
Sign up.
login,
Login.
right?
Mhm.
And the second release, compose mail, subs, okay, like
Spam
that.
mail.
Okay,
Yeah.
as of now, yeah, as of now, this is the first release, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
the first sprint, okay.
Yeah.
First of all, just we don't just create a board, that's it, right? As of now,
Yeah.
so I'm creating a some uh, user stories, means, see, this is a sign up is a one user story, right? Client
Yeah.
requirement, right?
Yeah.
And login is also one of the user story, right? First
Mhm.
I create a user stories under directly sprint or backlog. So as of now, we create a board, we don't start any sprint, right? As of now,
Yeah.
just I create a one board, that's it. We don't start any
Any
sprint,
sprint.
okay?
Yeah.
Just so I have some user stories, and then I create a here, where under backlog,
Under the
okay,
backlog.
under
Yeah.
backlog. Create issue, then see what is the issue, story, task or bug. Bug means bug we
Error.
already created, right?
Yeah.
Deviation from implement bug, right? How to create a
Yeah.
bug we already discussed. Task na,
Mhm.
just now we create a one task, right? Means in the
Activities. Daily
here,
activities. Yeah.
this is our task, day-to-day activity task,
Yeah.
this one. Story na, this is the user story,
Yeah.
okay? Create a user story, brief discussion about the, right, okay?
Yeah.
Sign up, okay?
Mhm.
Sign up, email,
Register.
registration.
Registration. Yeah.
This is the one of the user story.
Yeah.
And
Sprint.
so I create a one user story, okay?
Yeah.
You edit now, okay? You can add description here, you can add what is this user story, okay? Any document you can attach anything, everything is possible here.
Yeah.
So this Gmail na,
Mm-hmm.
when new user can register
On
and
Gmail.
able to, like that, you provide any description, comments like that. Okay,
Yeah.
click on save na.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. How many user stories are as of now? Only one user story created under
Yeah.
backlog, not yet.
Yeah.
As of now, no sprint started. Okay, only board
Mhm.
is created. Okay,
Yeah.
then that is one user story. And one more user story is sign up and
Login.
login. Yeah, that is the
User story.
Login to Gmail. This is the one of the user story. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Log into Gmail. You provide a comment now. You can also add a comment also. Perform. User able to
Login.
log in to
Gmail.
email account. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, as of now, how many user stories are available? 2 user
Two.
stories, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that backlog, so many items are available. Hundreds of user stories are available. Okay. As of
Yeah.
now, these are the
Two.
backlog items available.
Yeah.
So, in the like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Create sprint.
create a one sprint. Means here you observe na. This
Yeah.
is the sprint
Release
one, right?
one. Yeah.
This is the sprint one. This is the sprint two.
Two.
Like
Yeah.
that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This is the sprint one, and this is the sprint two. Okay. Two
Yeah.
sprints na, one release completed. Some
Yeah.
organization 2 weeks one release is there. 2 months one release. Some organization 3 months one release. Okay.
Yeah.
In some organization, 2 weeks one sprint. In some organization, 3 weeks one sprint, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
As of now, our company following every 1 month one release and 2 weeks one sprint. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the one release every month. 1 month na, these 2 tasks completed and go to production. Then release 2, this 2, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
That is our plan. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I create a sprint, right? Then I
Yeah.
create a sprint.
Sprint.
Sprint one. Okay.
Yeah.
Sprint one. Okay. This is the, okay, this is our user story, right?
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah.
In the current sprint, what is our task? Okay, only sign up, right?
Yeah.
Only sprint one sign up, sprint two.
Login.
Okay, login.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 1 week. One week means 2 weeks one sprint, right?
Yeah.
2 weeks. It is the 2 weeks need to complete development and testing, everything complete in the 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And everything in the, so 1 month this feature will available under prod, right?
Yeah.
Then I assign this task to the sprint one and start sprint. Okay.
Yeah.
When start the sprint now?
Yeah.
Start sprint means when start the sprint? 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
So must should be 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay.
Yeah.
2 weeks, 3 weeks, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Maximum 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay.
Yeah.
So as our requirement, 2 weeks is one sprint. And when is the start date? You
Yeah.
got it now?
Yeah.
Today is start date means
Today.
today means
First.
after 2 weeks, na 2 sprints complete.
Yeah.
Today is started or tomorrow is started, like that. You can put the date and
Yeah.
automatically end date. Na based on this date, it will take a end date. Okay.
Yeah.
You set any goals like that. You put any goals you can write. Okay. Then
Yeah.
I can today is my start date and click start button. Okay.
Okay.
See. Okay. In the
Yeah.
sprint one. Okay.
Yeah.
Sprint in the sprint one started. Google test sprint one is started.
Mhm.
So how many total working days? 10, right? 2 weeks means 10, right? Total
Yeah.
working days means 5, 10, right?
Yeah.
So today is one gone. Means
Yeah.
9 days
9 days
remaining.
remaining. Yeah.
Remaining.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you observe na 8 days remaining. Like that. 0
Yeah.
days remaining. Like that. Okay, you got it right?
Yeah.
Okay. 9 days completed, right? 9 days remaining. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this sprint, what are the tasks available? Only this user story.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So user story. So already explain how to start now. First, developer open this user story and understand, and they create a code, right?
Coding.
In the
Code.
development,
Yeah.
right? And
Yeah.
the testing also, developer understand those requirement and create a test cases, right?
Yeah.
And once developer build the code and deploy
Tester
the code
writing the
quickly,
test cases.
test,
Yeah.
then test execution, right?
Yeah. Execute the
Okay.
case. Yeah.
You found any bug, na log the bug, right?
Yeah.
Everything is clear. Next sprint started, right? So
Yeah.
this is the user story, right? Then you create your task, na. This is the user story. In the user story, you create your task, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. How to create a task, you know, right? How to create a task.
Yeah.
One minute.
Is this the same way you showed me on the Kanban,
Yeah.
right? The task? Okay.
Yeah, same, nothing. But here only, what is the difference, na? Here, what is the difference? 9 days remaining is there, na? That is the only
The time
one difference.
remaining. Okay.
Merchant will be complete this task within the 9 days only.
Okay.
If not completed, now these are back to back to backlog.
Backlog.
You got it right?
Mm-hmm.
In the Kanban board, there is no backlog.
Yeah.
You got it now?
Yeah.
There is no time gap. There is no time limit in the Kanban board.
Kanban,
but here,
yeah.
merchant should be
Agile,
time limit.
time limit.
That is the only one advantage here. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So you create a task now, create a task. Otherwise, this is your user story, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Under that user story, you create a subtask. That is also task. This is also one type of the task. Okay. So what is the subtask? First, okay.
Yeah.
Dev understand
the requirement.
Understand requirement. Understand requirement and like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Explore like that. You provide first understand the developer, understand the
requirement.
This is the dev task.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the dev task and assign to some other person. Okay.
Yeah.
Then create. This is a one task.
Yeah.
Okay. And test team also is there, right? There also you can
test cases writing.
First of all, understanding, right? Come up the questions, clarifications. Okay. Clarification. First of all, directly test case is not possible. Okay. First, understanding and clarification. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a one task. Okay. And developer dev start coding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And parallelly tester or
writing.
writing
Test cases.
test cases. This is the one task. Okay.
Yeah.
Then means code review, something code test case review, code review is there, right?
Yeah.
Test case review, so test case review, and a development na their code review. There's so many some tasks are available. Okay, this
Yeah.
is one. And before this is for example, sign up na you enter a first name, last name, and register. It will create a registration, right?
Yeah.
So master should be develop your DB integration also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, DB implementation. Okay, database implementation need to happen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, DB implementation. And UI also design, right? HTML with HTML what username fields like that, right?
Yeah.
UI design. This is the one of the task, right? UI design. Okay, and test case.
Is the UI means user interface, correct?
Yeah, user interface. Test case execution. Okay.
Yeah.
Test case execution. Bug ID. We
Log on
found
to the
some
bug.
bugs like
Yeah.
bug identification. Okay. Otherwise, this is a 10 the test execution. You can create a bug execution. That is one. Okay. And test case execution. Like that, you can create so many tasks. Okay. As of now, these are the
Yeah.
tasks available.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the task. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So all are under to do. To do means not started any
Yeah.
work as of
Yeah.
now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's started today, right? So
Yeah.
dev understanding na.
Yeah.
This is a developer related thing, right?
Yeah.
Then open this one. Who is
Yeah.
assigner? Who is assigning? Some as of now you are only
Developer. Yeah.
their name and assign that name. Okay.
Mhm.
Assign
Yeah.
and okay, assign and move to started developer started work on move
Yeah.
to
In progress.
Okay.
Yeah.
Writing a test understanding. So tester also we assign this task and move to you started this work now move to in progress.
Yeah.
So this is done. Understanding the requirement, this everything is clear. Clarification, everything clear, na?
Yeah.
So
Done.
completed, no issues. Okay, these two tasks are done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then developer started working.
Coding.
Move to input. Our test case creation, right?
Yeah.
This is your task. You can assign to in progress. Then you are working on this area, developer working on that area, and parallelly DB implementation is also some other developer. Only one developer is not there. Multiple developers also there. Na? One
Yeah.
of the developers started this area, you started this area, and okay, like that. Okay, this
Yeah.
is currently in progress means currently doing. Okay,
Yeah.
once this done, move to done. Okay.
Yeah.
So within the 9 days, you should be complete this task.
Yeah.
All tasks move to where?
Done.
Done. Otherwise, no.
They will go back to the backlog.
For in case, okay.
Yeah.
Everything is done. Okay. Only execution is pending, for example.
Yeah.
Okay. So without executing now, we don't providing any information. I mean, we don't go to prod like this user story. Without testing,
Mhm.
don't move to prod like this user
Yeah.
story.
Mhm.
So again, it move to backlog. So 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 master should be complete within the 9 days. Okay. If
Yeah.
not completed, and then you provide a valid reason. Otherwise, manager will don't agree. Okay.
Yeah.
If valid reason is available now, then move to backlog. If without valid reason, they don't move to backlog.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, okay. Everyone is now. So now you can complete this task, and again after completing the complete the start, again you create a new sprint.
Newsprint. Yeah.
Again in the new sprint, what is the same? In the new sprint, what is the same? This
Compose mail and spam mail.
this is the sprint 2, right? Only
Oh
sprint
yeah.
1.
Login. Mhm.
Yeah, login. Same. You clear, right?
Yeah.
Again into 2, and this is the user story. Under user story you create a task. Under user story you create a task. Otherwise you can create a direct task. That is also fine. Okay.
Yeah.
They create task under task that will also appear here only. Okay.
Yeah.
And you are started working on a move to in progress, completed, move to done, like that. You found any bug now, same. So create
Login.
bug, create project, and type is bug,
Bug. Yeah.
and you know, right? Summary description create now automatically displayed here, bug. Okay.
Yeah.
Automatically displayed here. Okay.
Yeah.
And developer assign that bug and move to in progress. Completed now, move to done. Like
Yeah.
that. You can move to the bug status here.
Yeah.
This is the Scrum board. Any questions? So your activity, you assign the task and move to in progress. Once
Then
it's
move to
done, move to
done. Yeah.
complete.
Yeah.
Obviously, who is created this board now?
Yeah.
Team lead will create this board.
Yeah.
Not responsibility to create this board. You have responsibility to create a
Task.
task. So sometimes developer means team lead will create a task and assign to you. Otherwise, you can create a task. That is also fine.
Yeah.
You can create a task and assign to yourself and move to in progress.
In
Completed and
progress.
move to done.
Done.
You have any comments? For example, in this users, this is the task that you provide any comments. Now you can add comments and save. Now
Yeah.
you can add comments. Add comments and save it now. Automatically see the comments also. This is the comment
Yeah.
like that.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, Masuma, clear, right?
Yeah. Clear. I think Scrum is
Practice
easy,
now.
right?
Practice.
I'm sorry. Scrum board is easy, right?
Yeah, same Kanban board. Only one difference.
The timing.
Time.
Yeah.
Only time in the Kanban board. No time limit, but here time
No
limit is
time
there.
limit. Yeah.
Everything is there. There is also create a task, create bug. Everything is same. Okay.
Yeah.
Here also same. Only one difference. This is a sprint. Okay. How
Because you
many
need
days
to
one
release.
sprint like that.
Yeah. Because you need to release to the product owner bit by bit, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is the advantage. So client perspective now clear, right?
Yeah.
So you will release these many features are going out. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm. But our na confusion, right? In our perspective, so every 2 weeks master should be complete this task within the 2 weeks. That is
2
the one
weeks.
big headache. Okay. Okay, that is one big headache. And so piece of code, right?
Yeah.
So piece of code na means the piece of code going to prod na, but functionality we miss sometime. So you are the day one onwards you are available, there is no issue. Okay, you join at middle na, you join at middle. Okay,
Yeah.
need to understand these all things. That somewhat as a tester, somewhat difficulty, right? Okay.
Yeah.
As of now, everyone follow agile methodology. Okay.
Yeah. Is there
The
any way
organization
we
it is-
can we make any column here like to do, in progress, or done?
yeah, it's possible where okay. Some here we can create a columns also.
If not, that's okay. I will find out.
Somewhere one settings in the settings there is the project settings.
Uh-huh.
Mm,
Banquet is okay. Leave it for Saturday.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we will. Okay, the possibility is there somewhere here. Option is
Okay,
there.
on the
Okay,
settings.
anyhow, I
Okay.
will explain. As of now, you
Okay.
clear right how to create a Jira board something. Okay,
Okay.
and this is the scan board. Okay,
Yeah.
you practice one times. Okay, and
Yeah, I
so
will.
yesterday,
I'll do the yeah, I'll practice them.
yeah, yesterday we installed Visual Studio, right? So
Yeah.
click Visual Studio and click on Visual Studio. Okay,
Okay.
then so this is the okay create as of now you don't create any project, right? This is the empty. Okay, first
Okay.
you create a new project. Okay, if you are
Okay.
if you have any project now, you can open look that project, but as of now we do you no project, right? Create a new project. Okay,
Okay.
click on create a new project and then so these are the these are the different types of projects available here. Okay,
Yeah.
so see, this is a C#
Console
console
app.
ASP.NET Core. This is a
Mhm.
console app using C#.
Okay.
This is a console app using VB.NET. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
VB.NET is somewhat older
Okay.
version.
Uh-huh.
C# is the latest one.
Okay.
This is the older one. This is the latest one. So
Hmm.
everyone using C# only. VB, no one using as of now. Okay.
Yeah.
C#, VB. This is the ASP.NET Core means web application. You develop any web application, this project will help. Okay.
Okay.
And this is also using web application using .NET framework. Two types is
Framework.
available here. One is .NET framework and .NET Core.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
.NET framework and .NET Core. What is the difference between .NET Core and .NET framework?
Uh-huh.
.NET framework is a .NET Core is the latest one. .NET framework is a somewhat older one.
Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah.
So .NET framework support this .NET framework platform dependent means, so this .NET framework works only in Windows only.
Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah.
You create any project with .NET framework, okay, it will support
Mm-hmm.
only for Windows, not support for Linux, not support for Mac machines, not support for any other environment. It will support only in Windows only. Okay.
Windows. Yeah.
You create a project with .NET Core, it will support platform independent, means it will
Okay.
support for Linux, it will support for
Yeah.
Mac, anywhere you can write a code in any environment. Okay. Okay. So .NET Core recently came, just 2 years back came. Okay. .NET framework, this is a older one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the class library system. So our, as of now, we created one console app with .NET Core. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm creating one application with .NET Core. So click on this .NET Core. Okay. If not found now, go to search that item also here. Okay.
Okay.
Click that project. Click that project. Okay. Select the next button. Okay. Now,
Mhm.
what project name? Okay.
Yeah.
Project name. Console. Okay. You enter any name. This is a project name. Okay. You store any location, you put the location. Otherwise, this is a default location. Otherwise, you can change the location also possible. Okay.
Yeah.
Then create. Then press create. See the project console application, our project name, right?
Yeah.
Project created. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the dependencies means you write a code or anything, the some dependencies required. C# related dependencies required. Automatically this dependency is available here. Okay.
Yeah.
You run a code, some dependencies is required, right?
Yeah.
You .NET Core something. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the dependency automatically come under the dependencies. This is the default creating a program.cs. Okay. This is the our class. Okay.
Yeah.
Simple how to, so here console.writeline hello world is there, right? Simple how to print this line in the console, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Simple. Right click that, it will print here. This is the console application, right? Console open, and this is the console, and print hello welcome something. Yeah, hello world printed, right?
Yeah.
You printed, what is you printed? Hello world, right? You
Mm-hmm.
printed hello world, right? Then you click, you press any enter or any key, it close that console. Clear, right?
This
I
one.
will explain what is this class.
Okay.
I will explain as of now.
Okay.
As of now, you create one project. By defaultly, this class will create. How to run this class now? Simple.
Yeah.
Click here, and what are there? The hello world is there now. It will print this word in the console.
Okay.
That's it. I will explain what is class, everything. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
If you want to close it now, close this. Close or press any key, or otherwise close this window.
Mhm.
Close this window. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
So class. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Coming to C#. Okay. Class. What is class? So class is a model for creating an object. Okay. Okay. Uh, Class contains properties and in the class contain properties and methods. Okay.
Mhm.
Syntax. How to create a class now? Okay.
Yeah.
Some keywords are there. Class is a one keyword. See, class is a keyword. Okay.
Yeah.
Class name. Okay.
Yeah.
Class name. Any name. Class name, and open bracket and close bracket. This is the syntax for creating in a class. What is a class? Class is a model for creating an object. What is the object? I will explain. Okay. As of now, class is a model for creating an object. Class contain properties and methods. How to create a task? Na? Class name, open bracket, close bracket. Na? This is the class. Clear?
Yeah. This one sounds
Yeah.
like
I
easy.
created one project like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me, any questions?
No, I feel like this one will be a little bit hard, right?
Little bit confusion.
Hard. Yeah.
No. Don't be okay. You practice now. Just yeah. I create one project, right? This is our project, right?
Yeah.
Our project name. Okay.
Mm.
Under right click here. Right click. Okay.
Yeah.
Click right click and add. Okay. Add
Mhm.
and new item. Okay. You create a new class, right? Under click a new item. Okay.
Mhm.
So here so many things are there. No need to worry about that. But you need
Oh,
only
okay.
class. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Class. That's it. Okay. And class name. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. What is our class name now? Tell me the
Yeah.
class name. Hello, right? Some.
Yeah.
This is hello. Hello, right? Class name is hello, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Then just hello. I write a hello and click add
Add.
button. So here hello.cs. Just hello now. Obviously .cs means that is a C# project. Okay.
Yeah.
Extension with .cs now, that is C#. Okay. Oh,
Mhm.
no need to worry about the extension. automatically came. .cs means C# related.
C#.
You
Okay.
Java na .java is there.
Mhm.
Java is there na .java is there. Python is there na .py is there, like that. But as of now, this is our C# project. .cs is the C# related
C#.
extension. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. See class name, open bracket, close bracket na.
Yeah.
Clear, right? How to create a task, right?
Yeah.
So any task available under namespace. Okay. So namespace means our project name. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. No need to worry about the namespace. Yeah, as of now, you clear that how to create a task. Class name, open bracket and close bracket. This is the syntax for creating a class. Any questions, Muslima?
No.
Okay. Yeah, class is the class contain what are the available in the class contains
Properties and methods.
Properties. Okay,
Mhm.
properties. Here, properties and methods. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm for example, I created one class with the student. Okay, I'm creating a class for the student. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me the student properties. Student number is there, na? Name is there, right? Address is there, right? Okay.
Yeah. Phone number.
Phone number is there, right? These are the student properties, right?
Yeah.
Student number, name, address. Okay, those are the student. Okay,
Yeah.
properties, right?
Mhm.
Coming to methods. What are the methods available to calculate?
Total numbers.
To calculate total marks, na?
Yeah.
For example, 6 subjects available. Subject 1, subject 2, like that. You perform some operation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Calculate marks, right? And other in the same way, calculate
Attendance.
attendance, right?
Yeah.
So 20 working days now, they attend 15 days, right? They based on that percentage coming, right? That is the attendance, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Like that. Okay. So many
Yeah.
methods are, as of now, these are the properties methods available. So how to create a properties, how to create methods now, I will explain.
Okay.
Okay. Clear, right? We have any confusion as of now?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Can I continue here, or you take next class for this one?
Yeah. Let's take it next class.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just practice this thing. Okay. Just okay. Create one project and create one class. That's it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Just practice.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
And practice this board also.
Okay.
What board?
So
Agile methodology.
create
Agile
one
methodology.
project and create one board, right?
Yeah.
One
Yeah. No
project.
need anything.
Okay.
So you can do
Thank you.
anything. Okay. Create a project and create your new board, like that. You create your own project. That is also fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Finally, your job is in the organization, create a task and assign that task to in progress done, like that. That is main task in your organization.
Yeah.
So who create a board now? Maximum team lead will create a board.
Yeah.
So otherwise you are also know, right, how to create a board, right? It's very simple. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
Very simple to create a board and create a task. No need to worry. Very simple. Okay, here.
Yeah. I think as
Okay,
a
Masma.
Scrum board is easy. I can do this one. It's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Masma. Bye.
Thank you. We'll see you. We'll talk to you on Saturday then.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.